Crispy Chronicles, the untold story behind the birth of the chimichanga. Hey there, fellow foodies. I got a saucy little secret to spill today. You know those cheesy, meaty, mouth-watering delights called chimichangas? Well, get ready to have your minds blown because these babies are more mysterious than the Bermuda Triangle. Buckle up, buckaroo, and join me on this tasty adventure as we uncover the intriguing origins of chimichangas. You probably thought, hey, chimichanga, what a Mexican delicacy. Well, amigos y amigas, prepare to be surprised because our story begins in Tucson, Arizona. Picture this. The year is 1950-something, and our culinary hero is at work in a restaurant. This clever cook, with a heart full of compassion and mouth full of spicy language,
Yeah, boy.
faced a bit of a challenge. Kids. Yep, there's these little munchkins running around the restaurant. And as we know, when kids are around, colorful language is a big no-no. So, what's a good-hearted chef to do? Well, this culinary genius deserved a gold medal for thinking on their feet and a big round of applause for creativity. Yes, my friends, to avoid letting any unwanted words slip, this magic kitchen maestro came up with the most random word they could think of: chimichanga.
Oh, hey, chimichanga. Oh, chimichanga.
And voila, the word chimichanga was born. Can you believe it? This spicy, mouth-watering word that means thingamajig got its name, not from the ancient Aztec legends, but from a humble chef trying to keep it PG. And fast forward to today, we have people all over the world enjoying chimichangas, blissfully unaware of their fascinating personal history. Isn't it the quirkiest tale ever? I mean, how often do you witness food history intertwined with child-friendly censorship? So the next time you sink your teeth into a crispy, golden chimichanga, take a moment to appreciate its amusing backstory. Remember, friends, that behind every delicious dish, there's often an unexpected and hilarious tale waiting to be told. That's it for today's mini food voyage, folks. I hope you enjoyed this bite-sized blast of knowledge. Until next time, keep exploring and keep feasting on those chimichangas. Oh, bit my finger. Chimichanga.